here we go. Wonderful sounds of summer. Sizzle. Hear that sizzle? What a great sound of summer. Beautiful asparagus sizzling on the grill. In the background, you can hear those cicadas, the trees, the sizzle on the grill, and the cicadas in the trees. Another beautiful sound of summer. I add lemon, salt, oil, and black pepper to these in a marinade, and my kids love them. What do you do to get your kids to eat vegetables? Can you please share a recipe for everyone to enjoy? What vegetable do your children enjoy eating? I'd love to hear it. Thank you. Perfect. These look gorgeous. Let's move on to the meat. Beautiful. It has oil, soy sauce, garlic, and a few other seasonings. And of course, I always use locally sourced farm fresh meat. Here's the beautiful steak. Wow. Let this cook with the lid down so that it can cook through to a nice medium temperature. Asparagus is on the upper rack and the meat is down here finishing cooking. After you cook meat, where you should let it rest. So when meat rests, it means that it sits after you cook it. You let all of the juices and all of the flavors stay together until it cools off a little bit more. Do you have any other advice about how to grill meat? I'd love to hear it. Please comment below or send me an email. Thank you. So now that the meat has rested, I'm going to slice it against the grain. As you can see, the grain of the meat is this way, so I am going to slice it against the grain in thin slices. This side, this section is less cooked or more rare. Actually, this meat would be called medium rare on this thick side of the steak. As you can see over here, this is well done. Here on the steak is medium well, where it's slightly pink. I'm going to slice different pieces because different people enjoy different cuts of meat. Also, if you do not overcook your meat, you can always use it again the next day, and it will not be overcooked. We have this beautiful steak that I have sliced from well done to medium rare and everywhere in between. Wow, that worked. I was able to stop.
So good.
Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.